Hello everyone. It's your girl Jasmine and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be doing a decor refresh on my bedroom. More specifically, I'm going to be showing you guys how I make my bed. Back in March, I went to Los Angeles and I stayed in a really nice hotel. It's probably the best hotel I've stayed in my life. And I was really inspired by the decor, all the decorative objects in the room and in the lobby. It was just a beautiful hotel. So guys, if you're interested in seeing that hotel review, I will put a link in the description box because I did do a review on it. Yeah, so this video is inspired by that. I'm going to be doing kind of like a decor refresh, a little clean with me. This is the first time I'm doing anything like this on this channel, so bear with me, you guys, as I try to get good angle. The lighting is not the way I really want it to be. The sun is going down, but we're going to get through it and I'm going to take you guys along with me. So let's go. Okay guys, so as you can see, I have already cleared off my nightstands. I took the old lamps off and now I'm just giving them a really good wipe down. They're mirrored so they smudge really easily. You can see fingerprints if somebody touched them. You can see that very easily, more than what I would like, but I really do like them, so I'm willing to clean them off whenever they are needed. If you notice, I have just put a flat sheet and a fitted sheet on the bed, partly because when you take them out of the dryer, if you let them sit too long, they'll get super wrinkled. And for the purpose of this video, I didn't want my sheets to be super wrinkled. And so now I'm just vacuuming the floor and tidying up the room a bit. I really like to start decorating with a clean palette and a blank slate. So now this is the fun part for me, placing the items that I've recently purchased from the store. You guys, I love these lamps. They're very beautiful. If you want to know more about these lamps and any of the other items I'm going to be using in this video, feel free to check out my Zgallierie and Homegoods decor haul that I recently did on my channel. So I want to show you guys how I tuck and fold my bed linens. Some people call this miter corners, some military corners, or hospital corners. The basic principle is to be very neat and pull tight when you tuck to get that glamorous look. So now that the sheets and the pillows are on the bed, I'm just layering it with a quilt. Some people call it a bedspread. You guys, I did purchase this from Amazon. I believe it was about $49.99. I love it. It has a nice sheen to it and a really cool pattern on it. It's lightweight and it keeps you warm at night. So now I'm just tucking that bedspread into the bed, and I'm using the same technique that I use with the sheets. I'm pulling tight and I'm making sure the lines are clean so it comes out nice and neat and it has that nice expensive and glamorous look to it. you'll notice that whatever I'm doing to one side, I do to the other side immediately after to keep a look of symmetry. So some people prefer to keep the quilt all the way at the top, or they fold it in threes at the bottom. I prefer to have it midway the bed where the line for the pillows start. So pro tip, if you tuck your bed linens really tight and neat, it gives the bed a pressed look. So now I'm ready for the accents of the bed. I chose these eggplant purple pillow shams that I did get from Amazon. I can't remember how much they cost, but I believe it came in a set of 4 and it was about $25 for 4 of them. I'm using the shiny shimmery pillow that I already had in the house. And the 2 gray pillow shams I got from HomeGoods, they are in my decor haul I mentioned earlier. I did stuff them with bigger down pillows just to give them a full look. This bench at the end of the bed I have had for years now, probably about 5 years, and I did get that off Wayfair. Putting the finishing touches on the room, I wanted to show you guys the before. And here is the after. Guys, tell me what you think. What do you think about the room transformation? What do you think about the decor pieces I used? Do you approve or disapprove? Let me know in the comments. You guys, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys on the next one.